Vitamin A Serum benefits with source. Benefits: it protects against staph damage and slows signs of aging. It encourages healthy skin cell productions. It protects the body against infection. It smooths wrinkles. It evens skin tone and gives you a glow. It clears up acne. Met Hippie Skincare Products Vitamin A Serum Review. Description: advanced skincare. 9 actives with HPR and sodium hyaluronate. Vegan. Cruelty-free. GMO-free. Suggested use: massage into clean skin every other night until skin adjusts, then move to every night. Follow in 10 minutes with moisturizer. Warnings: may cause increased sensitivity to the sun. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.